A spike in flu cases has the Alabama Department of Public Health urging healthy habits this holiday season. Cases are trending upward with an end not yet in sight. News 19 State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall reports from Montgomery on what you need to know.
This time of year, families are gathered together and stores are preparing for a swarm of gift returns. And with a surge in flu cases, Dr. Wes Stubblefield with the Alabama Department of Public Health is urging you to stay prepared.
The CDC currently has us at high levels of flu, which is just under the highest that they have, very high.
Dr. Stubblefield explains there's an increasing number of patients visiting the emergency department because of influenza.
You know, any individual can have a variety of symptoms with flu. Typically, the most consistent symptoms are fever and cough, but people can also have muscle aches. But people may have mild cases of flu, especially if they've been vaccinated.
What I think is tragic is if you're not careful and you're around other people who may contract what you're carrying, they may not always do as well, especially if we're going to see grandparents and the elderly in other situations.
Dr. Beth Weaver, physician with All South Urgent Care in Dothan, says she's seen a lot of respiratory illnesses recently.
Everybody getting together and visiting and hugging and laughing and singing in choirs and all that. We've really seen an uptake in the last week and a half to 2 weeks with not only the flu, but also with COVID.
Dr. Stubblefield says others in that high-risk category include young children and those with heart conditions. He says to be aware of those around you, and it's never too late to get your vaccine.
And just in general, making sure that that you try to stay home when you're sick, and then always use good respiratory etiquette, you know, coughing into your elbow, keeping your hands clean, things like that.
Right now, Dr. Stubblefield says there are more cases of influenza A than B. In 2023, he says the illness peaked at the first of the year, but it's hard to tell if that'll happen again this year with cases still going up. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, News 19.